Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Vunaduk and I'm exhausted. But I'm not as exhausted as this little bug. Look at this! I can't even. So he's probably sleeping for about an hour now. I wanted to make a video on getting him because it is a really big life update. And I finished the bathroom already. I just have to edit a lot. And I'm just trying to sleep when he's sleeping. And when he's awake, I gotta take him out and just play with him and all that. So that is why there is no DIY video this weekend. And that is why this video is uploaded so late in the day. I'm usually in the office where the guinea pig is. I have not introduced them yet. I tried to, and Helsi didn't seem very interested, and then the guinea pig he just went and hid in his hiding place. So I will give them some time before I'm gonna try to introduce them again. I can't. How cute he is. He's just so cute. Romanians are very superstitious. I love that he had the red color when I picked him up because red protects you from bad spells, which is like a Romanian way of saying that you're gonna get a bad spell put on you and then you're gonna feel bad. So that is a superstition going on with like puppies, kittens, babies, like just little beings in general. So he was the red color and I bought everything red for him. His leash, his harness, everything is red. Yeah, so we also say tutu să nu te dioc, which I've been saying constantly the past couple of days. I know, I'm from Romania, we're superstitious, and you know, if I'm wrong, but if I'm not, you know, it's just I said it, so he won't get the spell. I did not believe that until my brother, like when he was little, he was like crying nonstop and he wouldn't stop at all. And then my dad said like this little like anti-spell thing with like a match in the water, and then the match like went down or floated. I can't remember what the rule is, like, anyways. Yeah, so I believe it since I was little. And I took videos the day that I picked out the puppy and pick up the puppy. So I got Helsi from GOLDENDOODLE. I found them online, I want to say on Hubly, which I didn't know it was a website until I was looking for a dog, and then my friend told me about it. So I found them on there, then I looked at their website. It's really like, it has this extensive information about their dogs that, you know, they breed, and then about the puppies, and I think they're really fair in the way that you get to pick your puppy. And the price was also really good because I was looking at Cavachons because I met one on the plane, and that puppy was $6,000. So this puppy was not $6,000. I think it was fairly priced. He came microchipped with a bag of goodies, like a bag of food, a bully steak, some treats that apparently he doesn't like no more. But I had some more treats at home, and I will make a video. I actually did film the video already about everything that I bought for him. I am a first-time dog owner, so I keep looking down at him because I can't stop looking at him. So if I'm not looking at the camera, you know, life is hard right now. He's just too cute. So I filmed when I went to pick him out. I was number 7 on the list, so everybody had 30-minute increments, and you go in there and you play with the puppies. And yeah, let me get my laptop out and I will walk you through the videos. Good morning! I have my morning voice on. But it is Saturday the 28th, and today is pick day, which is different from pickup day. So I am gonna go meet the puppies, and I will get to find out which one is gonna be mine. So I'm super excited. Hopefully I'll take some footage once I get there. I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna be overwhelmed because there are 13 puppies waiting for me, and I can't even. Oh my god, I can't. Well, I've only been driving for 45 minutes and it feels like 2 hours. I hate driving. I don't know. I like driving sometimes, but when I feel like it, not when I have to. I do have like an awesome purpose to drive today. So yeah, but 45 minutes, I have 2 hours and 45 minutes left to go. I just stopped to get gas and get a bagel at Dunkin' Donuts because I was starving. And I gotta keep going. I should get there about 30 to 40 minutes before my time, so I wanted to be early because you never know what can happen on the road. Hopefully nothing will happen on the road, so I will see you there. So I just got here and I drove by their house like a creep, like twice, because there's a really big slope in the yard and I'm driving a manual and I'm already nervous because I'm meeting my first puppy ever, so I'm kind of nervous about the slope too. So I'm waiting here because the 10:30 to 11 o'clock people were there and the 11 o'clock to 11:30, so there was no parking. So I will wait like 5 more minutes, and it's a really fancy neighborhood, so I'm probably looking suspicious just waiting here, but it's all good. I'm doing anything for my puppy, so I can't wait. I'm 20 minutes away from meeting it. Oh my god, I just can't even. It's gonna be okay. It will be okay. So my friend told me to not go with the first puppy that comes to me, and the first puppy that came to me as soon as I walked through the gate was pearl color, and I had my eyes on him from before I got there because I wanted a darker color golden doodle, and he came to me and he kept playing with me, but then he walked away and other puppies came to me, but he kept coming back. So initially I wanted to get him, but then red color came to me and he was just so gentle. Like, he bit a little bit but not really. He was just like giving me a little nudge, and he just stepped on me and got in my lap and looked at me with those beautiful eyes, and I just couldn't say no to him. I had to choose him, and then I will play a little video for you from when he gave me puppy kisses, and I felt that he was mine, so I had to choose him. I think you might be it. Are you it? Are you it for me? Are you it for me? Oh yeah. So all of this happened at 6 weeks is when we went to meet the puppies, and then before that, every Saturday, because they were born on a Saturday, every Saturday we would get pictures of them up until 6 weeks, and after we chose them on that Saturday. On Sunday morning we found out which one, you know, we ended up getting. After that we got individual pictures, which, because it's Christmas, I got a picture of him in front of the Christmas tree. I don't have a Christmas tree up yet because I picked up some shifts at work to, you know, be ready to stay home with him for a little bit and train him. I am from Romania, so we are not using a crate, and if you look on YouTube, everything about training a puppy is how to train a puppy using a crate. So I am winging it. I'm also like bombarding my friend from Romania who's a vet with like questions about like what to do and what's normal and what's not and all that. But so far he has been such a good pup. When I went to pick him up, he just came to me and it's just so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying that. So he just came to me and then we got in the car. It was a 3.5-hour ride and he was really nauseous, so we stopped a few times. He threw up twice, but he also used the potty and he was like being a really good boy, and then he slept the rest of the way. He looked outside the window and we cracked the windows a little bit, and he did good. The second that we got home, he jumped out of the car and he went potty, and then we went in the backyard and I was like, this is your yard, this is where you're gonna go potty. And then we came inside and he was just like so gentle, and he loves chewing. He loves bully sticks, and I ordered some more. I'm getting some more tomorrow. And then he only chews, like he tried to chew the carpet twice, but I just redirected him, and he's been sleeping on and off a lot. We also went for a car ride today. We went to pick up groceries at Walmart, and then he got a little bit nauseous, but he didn't throw up. And my friend said, you know, they get nauseous when they salivate a lot, so that's how I could tell. But he was a really good pup. And then we went and we picked up some more sticks just to have for tonight. We went to PetSmart. I did not put him down or anything because he had his first vaccine. I'm going to the vet on Tuesday, so I did not put him down or let him interact with anybody, but we just went in there, got the treats, and came back up. Because as a first-time dog owner, I bought, you know, what the internet was saying. I didn't really know, so I will put a video out with everything that I bought for him. Make sure to follow follow me on Instagram. I will post pictures with him every now and again, or maybe more often than not, because he's so freaking adorable. I can't even. And then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am still trying to find out what my niche is. So I like to do DIY projects. I'm still working on this house. This is why this is the angle, because I don't want you to see the living room yet. And the kitchen is almost done. I think maybe next week I will get to finish it, but I still have to edit the video on the bathroom, and I have to edit the video on the kitchen. I'm super excited to get to start to use it, because I haven't had a functional kitchen in over 2 months, and then before that I was like not even using the kitchen at my old place because I was always here. So it's been probably 4 months since I actually had a really good cooked meal that I actually got to cook. Not that I'm the biggest cook, but I miss it. I feel like I'm gaining weight, and I need things. I just need things to go back to normal. I also want to decorate for Christmas, so I'm probably gonna make a video about that. You let me know in the description below what you want to see. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all this awesome content that is to come. I might post a video on Tuesday. Hopefully he'll let me edit it. So stay tuned, press that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Take care.
Trying to impress me, pulling out all the stops, making my head dizzy when you tell me what you want. I just wanted you to see me, never thought you'd notice. Thought that you should know I'm already sold, so never let me go. You had me at a la 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 la. I can see you trying, finding ways inside my head. Lost and out of focus, I can hear a word you say. Cause I don't care about your game, I just wanted you to see me. Thought that you should know I'm already sold.